What day is it?
Travel Tip Tuesday!
Hi everybody, welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. If you're like us, you have some cabinets in your camper that are just dark and they didn't have any lights in them. So we wanted to share two solutions that we found that work out kind of great and are inexpensive. Our first one is, we have this like sensor LED light. And we like this one because it has a magnet backing, so it makes it really easy to change out the batteries. It takes 4 AAA batteries, and I will put a link for them on Amazon down in the description. But this is our pantry, and it is really dark because it's fairly deep. So we added these lights, and if you guys can see, my pantry is super full, but it really lights them up nice, especially at night or when I'm making dinner. So these were a great addition, and I'll show you. I just reach up and pull them out. So that's what they look like with the light on, and the magnet fits right into the strip. So you can just change out the battery, and if I put it in the right spot, click it right back into place. So that's our first one. This was like a great little find that we actually found at a friend's condo when we were visiting them. They had them in the closet. So this is probably one of my favorite little light things. Okay, our second light suggestion is the button lamp. Again, I'll put a link for this on Amazon down in the description. But I actually found these were a recommendation on one of the RV forums once. And I tried them out, and I love these things. Now, you can't replace the batteries on them. They're only meant to be used for a certain amount of time. So I will tell you they last us probably about 2 months or so. And they come in a 6-pack, and I don't remember, but I don't think that they were super expensive. But they're just cute, and the thing that I love about these is they have a little switch on them. Okay, so I'm going to show you where we use these, and we use them in our, I'm not really sure what to call them. It's kind of a nightstand. I call it hidey holes, but they're right next to our bed. And it's dark in there because they're behind the closet, so it's this dark little space. So let's check it out. Here's the little nightstand, and you can see it is really dark in there. Now here's that same space with the button light turned on. The close-up shows the switch function, and when the light's on, it's quite bright. This switch makes it a perfect bedside lamp. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on another Travel Tip Tuesday. I hope these lights will help brighten some of your dark spaces in your camper. We'll leave links to them down below in the description in case you're interested in looking at them on Amazon. If you have a different light source that you really enjoy, I love hearing new suggestions, so please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like our video. It helps our channel. All right, everybody, see you next week.